Naagin Hot Sauce. You know it tastes great. Move over, sriracha, don't even try to hate.
Hey guys, this is Vicky Ratnani and I'm cooking with India's only and first ever hot sauce, Naagin. Now this sauce is so versatile that you can almost use it in everything. Today I'm going to be starting off with mere fridge ka Naagin fried rice. So what do I have here? I've got some leftover cooked white rice. I've got some green beans. I've got some carrots. I've got some bell peppers. I've got a little bit of chili. I've got ginger and garlic. I've got green peas. And I've got the original, the OG hot sauce Naagin over here. And let's start cooking. All your veggies inside. So halka sa I'm going to fry these very lightly. And to this I'm going to be adding a little bit of ginger, garlic and coriander. Now while my veggies are happening here, let me put just a little bit of water. Now in the meanwhile, let's make our sauce. So I've got 1 tablespoon of Naagin hot sauce here, a little bit of soy sauce, a little bit of sesame oil for that flavor, that beautiful nutty flavor, and we're going to finish it with some fresh coriander. Okay, so very simple, sesame oil and soy sauce mixed together with our champ Naagin sauce. Now the reason why it's in my kitchen, because it's really made with really cool ingredients, real vegetables, really good quality smoked chilies, and that's why this has a very lovely smoky kind of flavor. So veggies are nice. Next, I'm going to be adding our cooked rice in here. And give this a cool mix. Now let's add the sauce to it. So Naagin, soy and sesame. Beautiful. I'm going to be adding a touch of Naagin hot sauce to it. It is spicy guys. Chalega, lekin chalega. My fried rice is ready. I'm going to be adding a little bit of green peas to this and some fresh coriander. Fried rice done. Mix it up. Naagin soya fried rice ready.